you don't vote for it. No? So a partial vote is basically considered a no vote.
Follow up lang po. For example, i-aprobahan din ng plenaryo yung committee report ninyo at tuluyan na pong mabasura itong impeachment complaint against the President. Ano po yung epekto nito, for example, dun sa one-year ban? Kailan po ito magiging, kailan pwede ulit mag-file ng impeachment complaint against the President?
Nothing has changed with the Francisco ruling. Doon sa Francisco ruling and even in the decision of the Supreme Court, no? Maliwanag pa rin that initiation is completed when you refer it to the Justice Committee, no? So kung kailan na-refer ito sa Justice Committee, I believe that that reckons the running of the one-year prohibition period.
So, kumbaga po, January 26.
Yes, if it is January 26, when these two impeachment complaints were referred to the Justice Committee, maglalaps ito January 26 of 2027, which means January 27 of 2027, wala nang existing na one-year prohibition period.
In terms naman po sa impeachment complaint, kay VP Sara, hanggang kailan po tayo mag-receive ng mga complaints?
For as long as wala pa pong nare-refer sa Justice Committee, hindi pa po na-trigger ang one-year bar rule. So, the House is actually in a position to receive subsequent complaints. Let us remember that the initiation process is completed when the complaint is referred to the Justice Committee. No? Right now, the two complaints is with the Office of the Speaker, as far as I know. Kahit ma-refer pa to sa, ma-include pa sa order of business ng plenary, for as long as wala pang nare-refer sa Justice Committee, there is no initiation yet, and there is no one-year prohibition yet.